Before we begin, I would like to tell that I have implemented alpha beta pruning. So, to also as to optimize our game, the game is still a bit slow, but I think that without it, it would be very slow. So let's begin, and I would be playing as X first, and the AI would be O. So this is a tie situation. Next, I would try to lose. So I would again play as X, and let's say I A, and okay. So this was unsuccessful. Let me try once more to lose. Yeah. So this time we played very poorly, and see the AI wins. This, let us play this time as O and the AI as X. So as we see, if we play very poorly, the AI is very clever and it defeats us. Let me show you a tie situation in this game. So this is a tie. So yeah, that's it for this game. Nothing much to show.